TJ Moore with 20 along with Eric.
Tonight, and how nice is it to have three guys that can get 30 or almost 30 if other things aren't going well?
Well, I was happy with the way we closed the game with
33 points, which is great, but giving up 120, you shot 51% from the field. You know, that's something that we have to, really lock in on.
Just the nature of the beast of the season. You only played 2 games, and today was kind of a weird day. It's not a game, I think, it's early yet, so it's no excuse. But
focus on that, but we have to kind of overcome that. And there was a lot of frustration in the first half of why it wasn't clicking, what we were missing.
Now it's like, you know, we rock and double.
Yeah, I'll be there. 1 second. All right.